Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Hyundai Accent door handle. Start by removing the inner door panel using a trim tool to avoid damage. Next, locate and remove the screws securing the handle assembly, keeping track of any clips or springs. Inspect the handle and latch for broken pieces, then install the replacement handle and reverse the steps. Finally, test the door operation from both inside and outside to confirm success. To remove the door panel, first pry up the window switch bezel and remove any hidden screws. Use a trim tool to pop the panel clips free around the perimeter, working patiently to avoid breaking them. Slide the panel upward to clear the window ledge and then disconnect any electrical connectors, placing them aside safely. Lay the panel on a soft surface to prevent scratches while you access the handle mechanism and mounting screws. With the panel off, unbolt the handle assembly and carefully detach the linkage rods from their retaining clips. Compare the old and new handles to ensure correct orientation, then fit the new handle and tighten mounting screws snugly. Reattach the linkage rods, making sure clips snap into place and the latch moves freely. Operate the handle several times to confirm smooth action. If all works, reinstall the door panel and reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.